A majority of the artworks which I created during the COVID-19 lockdown are presently installed at either Andrew Baker Art Dealer or the Queensland College of Art. Many of the installations made allegorical references using motifs of animals. As my artwork is also autoethnographic, many of the creatures which I depicted are the ones who either lived with me or visited me during lockdown. These animals included goldfish, pigeons which began appearing during the COVID-19 lockdown, bees, and chickens. This was very useful to me because I have a preference for making paper cuts from life. Paper cutting has been recognized as a repository for maternal oral history. It emerged in the form that we understand it today between the 4th and 6th centuries in the agricultural region near the Yellow River in China. Although modern pulp-strained paper was invented in China during the 2nd century, many artists prefer to use cotton rag, which was introduced to Europe in the 11th century. Italy and France remain primary producers of cotton rag. Concerned about a break in supply, I started to make it by myself at home. The process involves macerating cotton fabric. This might take the form of old clothing or bed sheets. Sheet forming using a decal, mold and felts. Pressing and drying. I work outside and inside of the house. However, this corner is the closest that I have to a studio space. Paper cutting involves making a concatenation of holes to create an image. Although bearing aesthetic resemblance to Fushan paper cutting, which is endemic to Guangdong province, the home of my maternal grandparents, the technique I use is different as Fushan paper cutting uses multiple knives with different shapes. Paper cutters in China also typically addition their work by cutting through a number of layers of paper at a time. In addition to making paper cut installations, I often translate the motifs into a variety of digital media, including animation. I was fortunate in that making paper cuts about animals was not inhibited by the COVID-19 lockdown.